Now that we know more about the concept of value, let's see how it is created. First, let me ask you this. Do you see any difference between these 2 euro coins? These are 2 euros spent by a company to create value. They look the same. They are identical in the financial statement as well. But in reality, they are very different. This is a good euro, this is a bad euro. Let's see why. Customers pay companies to receive value from goods and services sold. Therefore, companies transform resources such as capital and labor into operations which in turn create the value customer requires. However, not all the resources used produce the same quantity of value, and some resources don't produce any value at all. They create waste. This is the difference between the 2 coins. This euro creates value for the customer. This is a good euro. And this one does not create any value for the customer. This is a bad euro. But now the bad news is that it is impossible for a company to distinguish a good from a bad euro by looking at the financial statement alone. As a result, shareholders and even managers often don't know how much of their company costs to create value or waste. So what is the percentage of cost to creating value and what percent of cost creates waste? You may be surprised to learn that on average only 10–20% of cost to create value, while 80–90% of cost usually create waste. This is where Lean methodology comes into play. Lean shows the difference between value creation and waste creation, with the purpose of increasing value creation by spending more of good euros and reducing waste creation by spending fewer of bad euros.